such a cool car. I bought it like 2 weeks ago. Nissan. It's the first time that it says Nissan stands for tool that they sell overseas. So they first time around. Yeah. So it's a heritage and ancestral.
Right, I was going to say.
Can't
That's what I'm saying. Oh, that's great. That's not good. That's a lot of fucking work.
You see for odds here.
Yeah, to achieve those sales. So, but now the lending is starting to.
Porsche Club rolling deep today.
2 different dealerships. I got the blue one.
Nothing Sylvie out here. I just walked right past this one. This one's clean.
Somebody did ask me. I think my car. About it is I've never taken apart fucking Viper.
If you take it apart, you realize it's just a fucking bigger LS. It's the same exact setup. So it maybe feel a lot better to cycle. It took like 6 months to create.
I am worried. Like that's the kind of crap that I don't know.
The really cool thing, I guess, is all these parts fit your procession, right? Like all these before you go back.
All these Porsches. It's the Porsche Club. They brought all their cars out today. Well, probably not all of them, but a lot of them.
You don't see very many. No, not anymore. It's just cold. We had to come regardless, but we woke up in front, like sidewalks wet.
GTR cars in the lineup.
It's like something having
And then they're like, what does it do? What was
My wife bought me that.
Yeah, she did.
There used to be a lot of bridges showing.
This one had 3 million miles on it too. The way your shit take off, bro, reminds me of mine.
There's like one notice.
Of the right-hand drive. Important all these right-hand drives.
Is it like your boys too?
Putting this boy together. We saw a 300ZX. Lots of potential, lots of potential. You got the 350Z wheels on there. Next to a 370.
Nice to meet you. Thank you for running the group.
Got my emblems all cleaned up the best way I could. It's supposed to be a powder shop place over here. Let's see, tension on. I don't know where I'm going, bruh. One of these places over here is supposed to be the powder shop place. I don't think it's right here, but we're gonna find out. We're gonna find out so I can get these things powder coated. Yep, y'all, I was at the wrong location. Found it, made a phone call, led me right to where they are. Yeah, look like they powder coated it all. Wheels, springs, exhaust, bike frames. Yeah, like they do it all in here. All right, so I just got finished talking to Tyler at RC Hot Coats Power Coating. Yeah, RC Hot Coats Power Coating. Man, look, I got some rims powder coated a while ago. But I never thought about the whole entire process that goes into it. You know, he walked me through the entire process, and it's pretty detailed. But he's going to be able to knock out those badges the best way they can. One of my badges cannot be hung up because it doesn't have any holes in or anything like that. So they're going to try to find a workaround for that. But if not, that's just going to be a badge that I'm not able to put on. That's the 16 valve badge. But, you know, they're going to do some magic, do some finessing to see what they can do to powder coat that. But the other ones, they said they could two-tone those pretty well. Picked out the paint. And Man, it's gonna be dope once I get those back. It's gonna be dope once I get those back and put them on a car. I know it's gonna make the rear pop of the rear of the vehicle. So stick around, stay tuned, y'all. Here's the moment I've been waiting for. I can see it from right here. Oh my God, it looks so good now. All right, we doing some touches to get it summer, spring ready. Yeah, it looks so good. And they took the whole pieces apart, not just taped it. Yeah. Oh my God. Y'all don't know how excited I am about this. And I got some more pieces coming. I got the chrome trim, so I'm gonna start on the chrome trim. We got the emblems at the shop. I got my wiper caps that's supposed to be coming. You're gonna see what color they are once they come in. But yeah, nice. Shout out to Glenn at Christian Auto Body. Look, if y'all need some paint work, 301-490-3632, and they're in Laurel, Maryland. And I'm about to get this thing on the road, finish out the rest of my day. All the way from Poland, y'all. These parts came all the way from Poland. All right, let's open this box up, get them installed, and hopefully they look good. Hopefully they're good. I just did the trim all the way around, so got new trim on here. Still gotta touch it up just a bit so that I can make sure it sticks properly. Yeah, but new trim all the way around. All the way around, front and back. All right, hopefully they look good and match. Let's see. That's crazy how much these little parts just make the car just looks a little bit better. A little bit better. Yeah, that pops, that pops. Now we're good for that. Here we go with the Saab cup holder. Not sure exactly how you slide it in, somewhere like this, I guess. Just like that. Is it in? It is in. Alright. I guess that's that. Now that's kind of close to the seat, so if you got somebody in a passenger, their knee might hit it. I'm not 100% sure, but it is kind of close. The seat is a little bit up, but we will see. But yeah, I got an update on the PPF. They're not able to do the PPF because of the unknown of the paint quality. You know, not being factory. It's not a factory paint, so it's going to be a no-go for that. And as far as the wet sand and buff, it's going to be a no-go for that too, unfortunately. My painter, he would prefer he knows the quality of paint, i.e. he paint the actual car, which he didn't, and or it'd be a factory paint job, and obviously it's not a factory paint job, so it's going to be a no for that one. Still waiting on my emblems. It's been probably about maybe not quite a week, but going on a week. They said it could be, you know, a week to 2 weeks. So we'll see if we have that back in time before we go to the Saab event in Virginia coming up next week. So we'll see about that. But that's going to be it for this video, guys. It's Rell Purnell signing out. See you on the next one. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. As always, stay positive, stay motivated. Salute.